This cat was living inside a phone store ceiling with her 6 kittens, surrounded by dangerous electrical wires. Workers kept hearing strange noises above them, but had no idea a whole family was hiding up there. The kittens would play with the wires while their mothers squeezed through a tiny hole every day to find food in the alley. But here's the heartbreaking part. When rescuers trapped the family, the mother cat didn't fight or panic like other strays. She calmly let people touch her, and even kept eating while being rescued. That's when the vet realized something shocking. This wasn't a stray cat at all. She had once lived in a home. Someone abandoned her on the streets, and she had to survive alone with 6 newborn kittens. Tests showed she had severe anemia from starving herself, just to feed all of them. The vet said normally only 2 kittens survive on the streets without help, but this devoted mother kept all 6 alive through pure determination and love.